Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by picking 3 colors and 1 size for each purpose so your system reads instantly. Start now. Write a single action per note, short and specific, because clarity speeds follow through. Once done, place notes on a flat surface grouped by color. This creates visible priorities. Make sure to use a pen that doesn't bleed. Legibility matters. This immediate, low-friction setup reduces decision overhead and gets you producing useful notes within minutes, instead of stalling over choices. You now organize by grouping notes into columns or clusters so the workflow becomes visible. Start linking related notes with small numbers or arrows. This shows sequence and prevents tasks from scattering. Once grouped, prioritize within each column by placing highest impact notes at eye level, because placement influences action. Make sure to reevaluate clusters daily. Shifting a note from doing to done is both progress and a cue to add next steps. This linking turns isolated reminders into a coherent plan that guides your work. You finish by reviewing and clearing notes so the board remains actionable. Remove or archive any completed items to avoid visual clutter. Once done, convert any vague note into a concrete next action to prevent procrastination. If things go wrong and the board becomes overwhelming, condense everything into 3 top priorities and discard lower-impact notes. This resets focus fast. Make sure to restore color coding and reorder by priority after trimming so your system stays simple.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.